How to change out the engine air filter on a Ford Puma. So this is where your engine air filter is located. What you'll notice is there's this little thing right here that's just a sensor. Rotate, pull that out. This makes it a little easier. Pop these two clips off. All you're going to do is pull out from here and here. And then you have your engine air filter. You would take this out. Effectively, the bottom is the dirty side. I put a link in the description below for a replacement one of these. So if you want, you can click on the link and go to Amazon. You can go to pretty much any other automotive places as well. So you take the new one, you would place that in here. You would take this back, put these clips in first. You're going to put this clip back on and snap this one on as well. Remember to also replace this. You'll notice it has a little groove that has to go in first, so get that groove in. There you go. And you're all set. That's how you replace the engine air filter on a Ford Puma.